This is the BYD Dolphin, an electric hatchback from China.
BYD, which is backed by Warren Buffett, jumped from 13th place in 2021 to the top spot in 2022. In that time, its overall sales more than tripled.
500,000 more cars than Tesla did last year.
A model in China. And this is BYD's sales sedan. It looks very similar. China accounts for more than half of all EVs sold globally in 2022.
Joe Biden and the US government are definitely scared of BYD.
BYD, which stands for Build Your Dreams, has emerged as a global leader in electric vehicles, energy storage solutions, and electrified public transportation. Founded in 1995 in Shenzhen, China, BYD has pioneered innovative technologies that span various industries, fostering sustainability and environmental consciousness. To better understand BYD as an automobile manufacturer, we must understand its history. BYD's journey began as a manufacturer of rechargeable batteries and later expanded into the automobile industry. They led a breakthrough in electric transportation, propelling them onto the global stage. BYD's vision transcends mere vehicle production. Their diverse portfolio includes electric buses, trucks, forklifts, energy storage systems, solar panels, and more. Their strong foothold in battery technology sets them apart, allowing the company to power not just vehicles but also homes and businesses. If you liked the video so far, consider subscribing. EVs. BYD's electric vehicle lineup covers various segments, from a compact city car to larger SUVs. The Tang, a plug-in hybrid SUV, and the Kin, a plug-in hybrid sedan, have gained popularity, combining performance with eco-friendliness. Their commitment to research and development has resulted in advancements in battery technology, enhancing driving range and efficiency. Public transportation. BYD's influence in public transportation is substantial. Their electric buses have been adopted in cities worldwide, contributing significantly to reducing emissions. The company's commitment to developing cleaner, quieter, and more efficient transportation aligns with global efforts to combat climate change. Global expansion. While initially a Chinese company, BYD has expanded its operations internationally. The company's electric buses and cars can be found in various countries, including the United States, Europe, Latin America, and East and Asia. This expansion demonstrates BYD's global impact and its ability to adapt to diverse markets. BYD made some inroads into Indian market, particularly with their electric buses, which gained attention in certain cities. However, the overall sales volume of BYD vehicles in India was not as extensive compared to some other manufacturers. The electric vehicle market in India is still in its nascent stages, and with multiple companies, including domestic and international players, competing for market share. BYD gained prominence for its patented technology, which they call the Blade battery. BYD claims that this battery will never catch fire, and they've released videos of this battery in crash conditions and furnaces. It's a super safe and powerful battery for electric cars, and it's a big step forward in making electric vehicles better. This battery is special because it's designed to be really safe, which means it's less likely to overheat or catch fire compared to other batteries. The cool thing about this battery is that it's not just for cars, it can also be used for other things like storing energy at home or making cities smarter. BYD became the world's fourth largest automaker by market capitalization and produced more than 1.5 million vehicles. Their aggressive pursuit of production scale and efficiency further propelled the rise of BYD. BYD strategically focused on increasing manufacturing capabilities, optimizing production processes, and fostering economies of scale, which contributed significantly to their rapid growth and cost competitiveness. Challenges and future prospects. Despite its successes, BYD faces challenges such as increased competition in the EV market and the need to continually advance their technology to stay ahead. Moreover, ensuring the scalability and affordability of their technology remains crucial for mass adoption. Conclusion. BYD's journey from a battery manufacturer to a global leader in electric mobility and sustainable technology epitomizes innovation and dedication. Its diverse product portfolio, emphasis on sustainability and global impact, positions BYD as a key player in shaping the future of electric transportation and clean energy solutions.